Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to setting shadow on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, after you add the photo that you want to edit on Adobe Lightroom, in here at the bottom you just click on the like, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see a shadow, and then in here you can see this is the before after. In here you can swipe this icon to left or right like this. Okay, you can setting the shadow like this. Okay, and after this, in here you can go back and finish. So that's how to setting shadow on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.